Selection Utilization of Architectural Grade Windows. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this collection, we'll share our market-leading knowledge and cover all aspects of selecting and utilizing architectural grade aluminum windows.
Thank you for joining us for this presentation on selection and utilization of architectural grade aluminum windows. This is a Kawneer AIA registered CES presentation, so everyone taking this session will be earning one learning unit in health, safety, and welfare. These are our learning objectives today. I want to go through architectural windows and tell you about the different configurations, explain what performance grades are, the difference between them, review some of the testing standards, because when we talk about window testing, it's totally different from what you've ever done regarding curtain wall and storefront. So a lot of new testing, a lot of new terms that you're going to hear in this presentation. Then we'll talk a little bit about how products are installed. So this is kind of an outline of what we're going to talk about. So I'd like to start with looking at performance classes and explaining these to you.
That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.